So let us go on with one of the most important concept in object-oriented programming, that is dependency injection. So before we start, we should know what is dependency injection. It is nothing but the way of programming where we try to inject the set of operations called services to the module. We have to repeat the set of operations everywhere in our application if we don't use the dependency injection, and we simply create the service with the methods and properties reside in it and inject it everywhere it is used. It allows us to create loosely coupled application where the components are independent of changes done by the service externally. So you have to know what is loosely coupled and tightly coupled applications. Suppose that we have a class that is car that is using the engine, and on the constructor we are trying to create the new engine object. What if suppose in future engine will start to take the parameter, then what will happen? We have to redefine the logic inside the car. This is not the case. This is not what we should do. So when we use this particular class and we are providing the engine object with the help of constructor by injecting to it, then you can say we are using dependency injection, and this time we are not taking care of engine service and we are simply assigning it and utilizing it in our application, and any change done in the logic of engine will not affect the consumption of the application. Now let us suppose we have created the new engine object and we are then trying to create the car object by passing the parameter of engine. Then what we are doing, we are creating the car object and simply passing the engine object to it while creating the object. And if engine start to takes the parameter, then we don't need to change any logic to create the car object. This is the benefit. Car is taking one parameter to create object, that's fine. But what if suppose car started to take multiple parameters? Then the developer will have to create those all parameters before creating the car object, and also maybe the dependent parameters will also have some dependencies on some other dependent object. Then it will become very difficult to manage the code as the number of dependencies increases. So this is the problem when we use dependency injection framework. And in the dependency injection there is an injector where you register all the dependencies. So here we have the injector container where we resides or register all the dependencies like car service 1, car service 2, etc. And we are simply using on the constructor of components 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we don't need to consider about how these service objects are created, that are already registered and their objects are available to use. So framework will manage all the dependencies, like program become much easier when we register all the services dependencies in the injector simply. So when when an object is initialized, the constructor provides all the required dependencies for the proper functioning of the component. So it becomes the responsibility of framework to provide the required dependencies. And it works like you have to create the service, you have to register the service in the injector and declare those services as dependencies in the class where we are going to utilize. Example, we create the service car service and register that to the app module, and where we start the application through provider metadata and utilize that to the components like automatic car component and manual car component. Suppose that we have car service and we have registered that to our module, and the submodule automatic car component and manual car is getting the use of that particular service. And here you can see we are creating the engine with the help of constructor. So here the problem was like, suppose that your car will start taking some other parameters, then what you have to do, you have to create again with the help of new and passing the required parameters. And suppose that your engine will also start taking some parameters that is depend on some other parameters, so it becomes very difficult. Right now I have given only 2 lines of code over here where we are creating the engine and creating the car with the help of parameter, but this is not always the case. When we work on heavy application, then that requires a lot of object to be created before any important object, so in that case it become very unmanageable. So wherever we are using new keyword, we are not using the dependency injection, so we should avoid the use of new. Instead of, we should try to use dependency injection and directly utilizing the service object. Thank you so much.